Welcome to Arizona State University's Global Freshman Academy MAT 117 College Algebra and Problem Solving course. This video will cover the topic Introduction to Square Root Addition or Subtraction. In these problems, we will be asked to simplify expressions where two radicals are subtracted or added together. Let's jump right into an example problem. 8 radical 3 minus 5 radical 3.
So how do we do this?
Notice that the 8 radical 3 and the negative 5 radical 3 have the same radical part, radical 3. This means that they're like radicals.
So is this similar when we combine like terms?
That's right. We can combine like radicals in the same way we combine like terms. So, say we had 8x minus 5x. How would we simplify this?
Well, we would take 8 minus 5, which equals 3, and we would have to keep the x attached.
Right. So 8x minus 5x equals 3x. We can complete the original problem in the same way. 8 radical 3 minus 5 radical 3 equals 3 radical 3. Let's try a couple more example problems. We can start with 6 radical 10 minus 5 radical 10. 6 minus 5 equals 1, and we have to keep the square root of 10 attached. Additionally, we can rewrite 1 square root of 10 more simplified as the square root of 10 to get our final answer. Now let's look at 2 square root 13 plus the square root of 13.
We can write square root of 13 as 1 square root of 13 to help us complete the problem, right?
That's right. Now we can add 2 plus 1 to get 3, and we keep the square root of 13 attached to the 3. This leaves us with 3 radical 13. Now let's look at 4 radical 7 plus 2 radical 7. Once again, since the two terms have like radicals, we can add the numbers outside the radicals and keep the radical the same. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and we keep the square root of 7 attached. This leaves us with 6 radical 7.
Okay, so to add or subtract square roots, we can treat like radicals, which are radical expressions with the same number under the square root signs, as like terms. We add or subtract the numbers outside the radicals while keeping the number inside the radicals the same.